Ka Office Jong Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Riboy Division Henin kesengi kata hakalai teri kubenai jeleu ahrajar arpuar kala penlongi ke jingtung ding hacin chona paham sim da ke jingi simbenta jong ki officer nang ketanat terekam baper jong ke sorkar ki bakentup yoba BJ Karshandi ubediu Additional Deputy Commissioner ke Riboy District uba Emsun ubediu Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer Riboy Division uba B Renja ubediu Range Officer ke Soil and Water Conservation Range Nongpo u Executive Engineer PWD Route Nongpo Division u District Planning Officer u District Information and Public Relation Officer u PIM WSIM Nongshai beriu Sirdar Jong Nongpo Elaka u District Agriculture Officer District Horticulture Officer kinong kitkam jong kesenong paham sim rengkat bat orang bat senong ubak jedwin lengdo ki kena school bat kiwe kini kejing tung ding ha kene kesengi kalong komisi benta benang penlong ya kemariang bandap da kerong jerngam na kiding gisit bat ban yo ya kal air ke bakhoj ban ring mensim bat ru ban yo ya ke ke basngur ban poi syaki telong baju paran kam da kinong sang senong